Very good morning to all my students. Here we are again with the same chapter 1, the exercise D. Answer the following questions. Yesterday we did till the question number 6. So today we will do the two leftover question, that are question number 7 and question number 8. So question number 7, I am reading the question number 7. What is the importance of seed dispersal? What is the importance of seed dispersal? Seed dispersal, why it is important for the plants? So basically, seed dispersal, do you remember the scattering of seed from the mother plant by the help of wind, by the help of water, animals, birds, and sometimes by the human being also. So this is all about the dispersal of seed. So why it is important? So we will discuss here and we will write the answer. So to avoid the struggle of seed for nutrients after germination, it is important that seed have to be scattered over a wide area so that each seedling gets proper sunlight, air, water and place. So this is the answer. I will repeat the answer again and then after I will explain it. So I'm repeating again, beta. To avoid the struggle of seed for nutrients after germination, it is important that seed have to be scattered over a wide area so that each seedling gets proper sunlight, air, water and place. So you all know that seeds are scattered basically near the mother plant. Like this is the diagram. See the diagram? This is a plant. This is a tree of guava tree. There are so many guavas are there. Green color guavas are, you can see the green color guavas. So when the guava falls near the mother plant, this is the mother plant. So all the guava will fall near the mother plant. And when they fall near the mother plant, so all the guava seeds are scattered here by the near places of this mother plant. So these all seeds require, because they all are guava seeds, they all are guava fruit, so when these seeds germinate, they require same type of atmosphere, same type of conditions for the germination. They require same amount of nutrients, they require same amount of nutrients, same amount of water, same sunlight. So mean to say their requirement are same because they belong to same plant, same tree. So if they fall, they scattered only near the mother plant, nearby places to the mother plant only. So their requirements are also same. So the struggle between the seeds will be started for these things, for the amount, for the sunlight, for the water, for the nutrient. So they will start struggling for these things. So to avoid these struggle, it is important to scatter these fruits or these seeds away from the mother plant. Away मतलब उनसे दूर उनको फैलाना ज़रूरी है, because if all seeds are dispersed near the mother plant के पास scatter होंगे, तो their requirements will be same, उनकी requirements same होंगी और उनको एक ही जैसा उनको न्यूट्रिएंट चाहिए, उनको सेम अमाउंट में वाटर चाहिए, उनको सेम अमाउंट में सनलाइट चाहिए. सो टू अवॉइड दिस स्ट्रगल, it is important to scatter these seeds away from the mother plant. I think now you all will understood. So the next question is, what is agriculture? Write the different stages of agriculture. So agriculture is what? Again, agriculture is the when the same type of plants are grown in a particular place on a large scale to fulfill the food requirement of the population, to fulfill the food requirement. So this practice is known as agriculture. So definition will be, agriculture is the practice of growing crops on a large scale for the food or other purposes. This is the definition. Agriculture is the practice of growing crops on a large scale for the food or other purposes. So agriculture, there are so many stages. Agriculture means farming, खेती. So agriculture किस लिए की जाती है? For the food production, to fulfill the food requirement of the humans or the population of any country. So this practice is known as agriculture. So agriculture is done under the following stages. So these are the stages. One by one I will read. First stage, plowing. Plowing means खेत को तैयार करना, खेत को उसको ट्रैक्टर के थ्रू उसको रेडी करना. Okay, this is plowing. Nowadays it is done by the tractor, but in the ancient time it is done by the bullocks, ox. Second, adding manure and fertilizers. After when we make ready our farms, then it is important to add the manures or add the fertilizers to enrich our soil. So to enrich our soil, we will provide the manure and fertilizers, so that when we sow the seeds, the plants will get the nourishment. Our third stage, sowing of seeds. Seed, उसमें अब जब हमारी ज़मीन रेडी हो गई है, हमारे खेत रेडी हो गए हैं, उसमें फर्टिलाइज़र ऐड हो गया है, देन हम उसमें सीड्स डालेंगे, बीज बोएंगे. सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स. आफ्टर दैट इरिगेशन, पानी देना. देन हम सीड्स को पानी देंगे. देन स्प्रेइंग ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स. अभी सीड डाल दिए, पानी भी दे रहे हैं, अब क्या करना होगा? पेस्टिसाइड्स, सम केमिकल्स which usually spray for killing the pest or for killing the smaller insects. Then harvesting. Spraying of pesticide के बाद the next is harvesting. फसल जब हमारी रेडी हो गई है, अब हम उसको कट कर लेंगे. So this is the 6 stages of agriculture. Plowing, adding manure and fertilizer, sowing of seeds, irrigation, spraying of pesticides and harvesting. So these are the 2 questions. Now the exercise D has been finished. So children, before that there is I want to give you 3 keywords. I want to start the keywords also. So keywords, first keyword is germination. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Again and again we have repeated these points so many times. So I think you all have easily know what is germination, and you all have understood. So the process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Next, seed coat. The outer covering of a seed which protects the baby plant present inside the seed is called seed coat. Third, cotyledons. Parts of a seed that store food for the baby plant are called cotyledons. So children, after completing the exercise D, write down the next heading, keywords, and then write these 3 keywords. Some other keywords we will do in our next video. I hope you all have understood. So please do it carefully and neatly. Now move on the homework area. This is the homework. Beta, This is today's homework, true and false. So here are some true and false. You have to write it by your own, and I will give the answer in the science period. Plants are non-living things. You have to tell me it is right or wrong. It is true or false. Seeds are present inside flowers. Is it true or false? आपको बताना है. Roots absorb water and mineral from the soil. Roots पानी को और मिनरल को अब्जॉर्ब करता है फ्रॉम द सॉइल से. ये सही है या गलत? Then next is outer covering of a seed is called seed leaf. Outer covering of a seed is known as seed leaf. It is true or false? You have to write it. Then last one, coconut and lotus seeds are dispersed by wind. So I hope you all can do this homework without any problem. But still, if you have any problem, we will discuss it in our science period. This is all for today, children. Take care and thank you, beta.